I do, but I'm gonna take my palm sander
Mm-hmm.
and I'm coming in here. And I'm going, cause me and you gonna be right, cause you're not gonna talk nothing to me about these floors. I'm gonna try to get that out.
Okay.
I'm gonna try to do the best I can, cause I don't need nothing continuous like this in my floor, cause that shows a pattern. You see how good I got against these baseboards?
I know that part turned out really good over there
Only
when
thing
we
you see
first
I took
started.
out is where I first told you. You walk on all of them here. All of them I did a good job. I concentrate on these baseboards real good. The only thing I'm gonna take my personal standard. You see them? You see them?
I know, I see this right here.
I'm gonna get it out of there. Come on back over this. Look at this one. Now this is my pet peeve in here, right here.
Yeah, that's
I'm
real.
I'm on right here where we stand at. Right there where you stand at. Cause see, he went in here, but I'm gonna put that light stain on it, but I'm gonna come in here. The front one gonna look awesome.
Yeah, it looks really good.
The front one gonna look awesome. It'll take real good. I ain't gonna do nothing in here until you get the last drop of paint put on this wall.
Okay.
So he said he gonna knock this out in the weekend, so